Can y'all hear that whippoorwill? Hear all the frogs? Man, this is why I love being over here. Unfortunately, you can still hear a vehicle out on the highway, but you can't hardly get away from that nowadays, not around here anymore. This is so relaxing. How can anybody not want to sit here and enjoy this? Now I'm here because the other night when I came over here, shine the light in the pond, there's about 5 water moccasins swimming around in this pond. So I am going to see if I can maybe thin some of them out. So, because we come over here all the time, but the kids are what worries me. That's just too many cottonmouths for one spot. But all right, guys, short video, but I appreciate you watching.